The PB-C1 is a backpack portable drone detection and jamming system. All-in-one backpack solution for drone detection. Real-time alerts, identification, positioning, and jamming. Capable of detecting over 800 drone models. With comprehensive signature coverage, as well as homemade, FPV, and Wi-Fi drones. The PL2 is a standalone drone detection and localization terminal that can interface with a man-portable countermeasure system quickly to form an integrated detection and neutralization combat system. The PB-C1 enhances detection and countermeasure capabilities against low-frequency FPV drones, with the ability to decode the first-person view FPV feed of certain models. Supports dual operation modes, manual strike and automatic strike. Single-button jamming initiation enables rapid and accurate drone jamming.
PB-C1 delivers full-spectrum detection from 100 MHz to 6 GHz. With 8 independent jamming channels, it covers all the critical frequencies. Portable and lightweight, the whole system weight is under 13 kg. Paired with the PL2 handheld drone locator, which is under 700 grams, PB-C1 can detect and countermeasure drones in one portable system.